Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to get the Blu-ray Player on your Xbox Series X. So if you put in a disc, this should prompt it to download and bring you to the Microsoft Store. But if you do not get this download or it's not prompting, you want to go to the Microsoft Store right here. Select this. Then just go to search right here. And then just type in BLU. And it should pop up right here in the upper left side of the screen. So this is the Blu-ray or DVD player. You can play DVDs as well. It says watch Blu-ray or DVD movies on your Xbox One. Watch Ultra HD Blu-ray, and DVD on your Xbox One S or Xbox One X. So you should be able to watch Ultra Blu-rays on your Xbox Series X as well. So you can launch this application and then you should be able to watch your movies. So there's no disk in the drive. So typically, if you put in a disk the correct way, it will prompt this to download. But if it's not, go ahead and get this application and you'll have to download it from the internet. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. More technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.